This is the redesigned 2021 Nissan Rogue. I'm Josh Smith with GottoBeMobile.com. We're gonna take a first look at this vehicle. It's available in a cool new gray color option. So this year, Nissan redesigned the Rogue. We have a new look outside and inside. This is the Platinum, and it's available in this new gray. It looks really sharp. I love the contrast that we see on the roof line. They have a lot of two-tone color options this year. We have some sharp looking rims, and I like this side accent right there. As we come around to the back, you can see here is the tailgate on the Platinum all-wheel drive. We do have this kind of accent piece down here at the bottom and some nice body lines right here. And one really cool thing is the back door opens to about 90 degrees. So I'm gonna back up so you can see that. So if you have kids that you're putting in here, car seats, or if your passengers are elderly, there is a ton of room to get into this vehicle, something that's really nice. Now check out the interior on this Platinum. Really, really sharp looking. And then as I come down here, you're gonna see we have outboard heated rear seats. We have a climate control section back here. So that's 3-zone climate control, USB-C and USB charging. We have this cool moonroof that opens all the way up, panoramic style. And let's hop in the back seat, kind of give you a look at the leg room. So I'm about 6 foot. I have plenty of room back here, and the person in front of me has a decent amount of room. Another cool feature is the center console here. So because it opens like this, butterfly style, if I want to get in something from the back seat, I can do that, and it works out really nice. Now up front, as we look around, you're gonna see a lot of that same look and feel on the Platinum. We have just a really nice trim level. And then as we just take a closer look at some of those interior features in this, you can kind of start to see where all of these touches come together. There is a little mat there. I believe that is for wireless charging. This is the new digital instrument cluster, so it's customizable. And here you can see it's kind of set up with that ProPilot Assist feature in mind. New for 2021 is ProPilot Assist with NaviLink, and so what that does is it uses navigation data if you have a route, and it's going to be able to predict the highway ahead, so that it's going to be able to better keep you in ProPilot Assist mode while you're driving so that you don't have to disengage around corners. Push the button here while you're driving. It does a lot of the steering for you. It is hands-on, but it does really help with longer road trips. As we come over here into the center, you can see this beautiful 9-inch screen. This is an optional screen. It's available on the higher end models. This is the Platinum. I believe it's standard. I could be wrong. A 9-inch screen is standard. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, really big, and it kind of floats there. I sometimes am not a huge fan of the floating design. I think it works really well in this interior. As we look down here, you'll see that we have a wireless charging mat. We have USB-C, USB, and then an outlet, and just a really nice looking interior. One other feature that I like is there's some storage down here below. And coming back to that interior, there's a nice wood grain throughout. So that is a look at the interior and some of the tech that's available on the 2021 Nissan Rogue. In the back, there's some nice storage cubbies. So this is designed to be able to hold a gallon of milk. In experience, things this size are also pretty good at holding a gallon of paint. We have a little small storage cubby over here. There's some tie down points throughout. And then if you lift this up, there's a storage area under here. And then there's a similar storage area in the back here. So you can keep all those odds and ends that you normally would have floating around in here and moving around while you're driving, stored safely underneath there. A nice feature on both the back seats, you have a rear window shade that you can pull up and put in place and quickly pop down. Thanks for joining me to take a look at the new 2021 Nissan Rogue. We have more information available over at GottoBeMobile.com. I'll have a link down in the description below where you can check it out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you have a great day.